Morning all. It's a new day, new weekend, and I'm back on the barn. This weekend's job is to make some windows for, if I can walk around with that killer myself, these tapered, I call them my arrow slits, but they're ventilation slits. So I'll show you from the outside as well if I go around the back. Quite nice, quite hard to see, fairly invisible, and the downside is there's 24 of them, so I'm not going to make 24 now, but I bought myself a new toy, a DeWalt, what is it, 7485 or something, DWE 7485 table saw. It was expensive, it was about 500 quid or something, including the stand, but I made some windows yesterday, and for me it's a game changer. It's only farmer joinery, it's not a skilled bloody cabinet making or anything like that, but it's good enough for me for what I need. I'm only going to put single glaze units, single glaze glass, if that's probably the wrong terminology, but only putting single glazing in them because it's not going to be insulated. This is going to be a garage workshop. 7 there, 6.5. If I go 6.5 square there, inches, say square, you know what I mean. 6.5, and because I tape them down, they sit into the reveal a bit more. The next thing is to set the fence on the table saw. So I need to set the height of the blade. I do the reveal depth cut, which I think I set to 20mm, and then I set it 10mm from the edge. So I'll mark it out. I don't know if you can see this. So I'll mark it here. Something like that. So that's 20mm, that's 10mm. So over to my new saw, and I'll set you up on that. Turn that off. Depth. Should be 10. Like that. See that? I don't know, I'll have a look, see if I can see a screen. No. So it's alright. Take that. Right, I don't think I said this before, but because I want the rebate on the inside, I would have to cut with the rebate this side on the shorter side of the mitre. I didn't say that before. So that's what I'm doing. So first one, I'll show you that. First one gets cut with the rebate there. Second one gets cut with the rebate also on the inside. I bet that made you jump a little, didn't it? Oops. This little saw, that little Makita saw, has done me well over the years, but I'd love a new one. I'd like one with a shadow line or a laser line or something. That doesn't have anything to tell me where I'm cutting, so it's a bit of a pain. So next on the list is a new one. Right, we're on to measuring now. Double check before we glue up. 25.5 by 6.5 is D. Put these in order. Last job I forgot is check for square. I'll take that. Not bad. I will take that. So, like I said earlier, I'm going to cut the corners, these top corners, start there and cut a 10-degree cut on each one, which is why I've put the nails quite far set in. I didn't tell you that, I don't think, before, but that's why I've done it. So I'll wait for this glue to expand out, dry, and I'll be back in an hour or, no, probably a couple of hours. So that's them kind of, well, not quite finished, but nearly ready to go. Right, now it's time for oil. Danish oil. I like this stuff. I like the smell of it. It's the most important thing. Can be quite rough with these because, well, I'm going to rub it up anyway.